Hello Team 5, how's it going? So listen, we're on Unit 4 today. So we're looking at Unit 4, but today we're using the workbook. So open your workbooks to page 16, and that's what you're going to get. Page 16 please. Now, we're going to be talking about extreme weather. Alright. Now, what is extreme weather? Well, I think you guys know some examples of extreme weather. Big storms, hurricanes, these kinds of things, flooding. So first we've got blow away. To blow away, phrasal verb. Burn down, another phrasal verb. Flood, flood. To flow. Forecast. Lightning. Pour. Power. Rise and tornado. So, where are all of these words? Let's have a look first. Let's go by letter. What is letter A? You can see it in the background there. It's that part of the storm, this wind and sand and water that comes together. What is this called? Yeah? Sometimes we play this as a game as well on the board. It's a tornado, yeah? So, tornado is A, it's written here. Now letter B here. It says rise, okay? Now what is rising here? Well, it's the level of the water, isn't it? So this one is rise. And then we've got C, this one here, C. What is C? Do you know? Part of the storm as well. This is called lightning. Lightning. D, what have we got? D over here. Can you see it? It's the rain falling really hard. It's pouring. It's pouring rain. To pour. So rise must be to pour rain. Okay. And then we've got E over here. Information about the weather today and tomorrow. So this is a prediction, we call it a forecast. So E is the forecast. Whereas F is right here. That looks pretty terrible. What happened to this house? Well, it's burnt down, hasn't it? Burned down to the ground. So this is F, burned down. Alright, what else have we got? F, G. What's happening to this bicycle? Oh my God, the wind must be very strong. What's happening there? Well, the bicycle is being blown away. Yeah? So G is blow away. The wind must be seriously strong for the bicycle to be flying away this way. And then we've got H right here. H, you can see the light inside the house, so that would be the power, okay? H is power. I and J, similar. I is the actual flood, and J is flow. So the water, the dirty water is flowing. It flows. Okay, so there are two more exercises on page 16. I want you to prepare exercise 2 and exercise 3. So I'll give you some examples. I will go through the first example together. So complete the sentence with the correct words from the exercise we just did. Now number 1, the for tomorrow is sunny with a chance of a shower. So what word is that? Yes, it's forecast, okay, what the weather will be like later, tomorrow or the day after, and then we want to finish that at home yourselves. Exercise 3, you need to put these words into different boxes. What are they related to? Are they connected to water, to fire, to storm, or to wind? So we've got the verbs to blow away. Wow, we saw what it was. It was a bicycle blowing away there. So it was to do with wind, so we can write blow away here, for instance, yeah? So I want you to finish that exercise at home as well. Now we're in the student book, page 24. There are, again, exercises, this language, forecast, power, tornado, lightning, burn down, blew away, flood, rise, rose, pour, pouring, and flow, flowed, okay? So I would like you to match these words to the definitions here. So we talked about it before. What is it? Raining a lot? Do you remember? Yeah. 9. Pouring rain. Yeah, so we can actually read number 9 here. Write it down. I want you to prepare this for your classes and look at the questions here. Number 5, what should you do in the case of a flood or lightning? Okay, good question. What would you do? Think about it. What should you do? How accurate are weather forecasts? Yeah, so these days I think it's better than it used to be, but can you trust the weather forecast? If Google Weather tells us tomorrow it's going to rain, is it going to rain? What do you think? And number 3, has your home or school ever been without power? You guys live in Taiwan. So that's happened a few times. But can you think of a big one? Yeah, can you remember something because of the weather was being so bad that you lost energy for maybe power for a whole day or even longer? Okay, now let's look at the word profile. The word is case. There are a few expressions here with the word case. Let's look at number 1. No one expected the amount we got in this case. We all know what to do in case of a flood. He put the sandbags by the front door just in case. So we got 3 expressions here. In this case, in case of, and just in case. Do you know what they mean? Let's have a look. We're now on page 133 at the back of the book, student book still. We have some more examples. Let's see if they help us understand. In this case, so in this case, there have been other winter storms, but in this case, the wind speed was much higher than forecast. So in this case, this time, in this situation, this winter storms, not the others, okay? In this case. Next one, in each case, several houses were damaged, and in each case, there were broken windows. In each case, so in every house, all of the houses we're talking about, every time there were broken windows in each case. Cases of. The number of new cases of this rare disease, coronavirus, has risen. The number of new cases of coronavirus. How many cases of coronavirus are there to this day in Vietnam? there are 16 cases of coronavirus. Just in case, you could say in case or just in case. Take my umbrella in case it starts raining. Is it raining? No. But maybe it will. So, in case it rains, you should take an umbrella, then you can use it. Yeah? So, just in case something happens. We don't know if that thing is going to happen, but in case it does, if it does, it would be better to have an umbrella. In case of fire, leave the building immediately by the nearest exit. In case of fire, in case of something. That means if something happens. Okay? If something happens, in case of, then you must do something. Okay? Alright, so we've got the example here. Let's try to do it together. Complete the sentences using the correct phrases. We received more than 100 applications for this job, and we sent a personal email in reply. So we received more than 100 applications for this job, and in this case, in each case, cases of just in case of, which one do you think? I'm gonna let you do it, okay? So you do this at home, and there's one more exercise in the workbook that I want you to prepare as well, okay? Okay.